Kai, longai charu kai.
Y'all ain't ready for this one. It's the Ace again. The Mizo old school. So bounce with me. Yo, pretty mama got the moves like a Hollywood flick. Cause she a slick like the mix out an old school slick Rick. That sounds a player holler, she they damn so quick. Y'all heard about the caller, she be there with the 6 stick. The silly green on the lips, she know she ain't the last pick. Tickling teaser, play it careful girl, no lipstick. She down ass chick, yeah, she ready to jig. Got hickeys on her chest like she pleasantly sick. Now what? It's like a fairy tale princess. She bounce with the player, autographs on her chest. She hide behind the layer, put me to the test like a junior high teacher. Hotter than the rest, like I wanna layer. A Romeo and Juliet. Every time I look into the mirror, our class made it last. Ain't no chick better. This the reality here, like it's a kid, Sarah. But her heart's on my head, like no hasta la vista. She wanted with me, she got a gold digger mommy and she looking for a melody. I'ma take it real slow, now slow down the apology. Nevertheless, your girl, take it down, this my recipe.
I'm a jigger man with a 5-figure salary. The cream of the team ain't just a wannabe.
What you don't know don't hurt ya, so mind the secrecy. Baby girl and the crazy G, we ride till eternity. Basketball game, I'm your first 5, true as a player I came. For a test drive, excuse was lame, had me saying my name. I done it before to every chick and every day, but there was something in your eyes, made me wanna ride, made me wanna slip and slide. Just a two on the rise, funny how I trust the honey. Sure is heavenly for all to see. Player retire in his jersey, something about me you never understand. Had more honeys than the fingers on your hand, but I say that you're special, you're no man's land. Cause baby girl with you, there ain't no one not stand. The one in a million, man, that you run to. Never let them hurt you, I give them a 1-2. If you ain't mad with the things that I've done, so I promise we're headed for a life full of fun too.
Ting zo thì regn om the väg. Så koher moi thì chẳng sẽ cái thái chẳng mây tệ la. Chú đắng cưng ai lo.
Ain't spitting nothing but game, I'm saying the same. Girl, you know it ain't about the money or the fame, cause you knew me back then and you never did change. Always kept it real when everything was strange. How I love the taste of your lips, touch my hair with your fingertips, bring a smile with every line you quip. Just the two of us when we're chilling in the crib. Now it all comes back, rushing to my mind. You're the lady I was seeking so hard to find. Miss Ross player, like the sweetest wine. Surely blessed my day when you gave me a sign. Never seen a pair of eyes prettier those. How we argue about who miss who the most. Now every day without you seems like eternity, cause I'm blessed with a lady even better than me, for real.
Thiên dâu thì rèn ôm về gió có hề môi thì chẳng sẽ cái chẳng mây tệ la chú đắng cần ai lo.
But I ain't the type of flaunt you with things that you wanna have. Take you shopping for a day, that's all I'm escape. And I don't step out of dough if the party is rave. This the time of the month when it's chocolates you crave. Baby girl, you know your man better than that. Even if you gain a few pounds, ain't gotta say you was fat. Treasure every moment at the first kiss we had. Stay focused with you and where the party at. Ain't gotta be asking no girl, cause you know I was true. You got me falling in love, head over heels for you. All that I offer is real, girl, you know it ain't material. Surprising with moves, never the regular drill. From your temple to your navel and the places you feel. Take you to fantasy land when I be spilling my skills. So what to do, girl? I see you bounce to the sound. I got you crazy in love, for it's the other way round.
Thiên dâu thì rèn ôm về gió có hề môi thì chẳng sẽ cái chẳng mây tệ la chú đắng cần ai lo nghe. Mommy and me is just 5'6", and we're chilling at B36. I gotta say I'm ready for the fix when it's all there it goes like this.
Nobody but an A-City girl.
Try to run, baby, say
Nobody but a
gió có hề môi. Lẽ dài cái rẽ lo, dù lẽ dù lung rung cùng tua ta mong ngày biết thư đến ông đủ lại su lệ hiền cái ring pháo to lâu chế cây bông sương lệ dài cái rễ lô từ lệ rùa ăn sang lô tôi đã cùng thua tan gần ông
You're my honey bun, sugar plum, pumpy umby umpkin. You're my sweetie pie. You're my cupcake, gumdrop, snickums, spickums. You're the apple of my eye. And I love you so, and I want you to know that I'll always be right here. And I love to sing 3 songs to you because you are so deep.
Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
Little angel, I know there's a lot bothering you. My conscience tells me this ain't gonna do. I don't even know how I'ma get this through, but in time you understand how we act a fool. There were nights when I knelt beside your bed, wishing all the tears that you cried were mine instead. Held a pillow, resting your weary head as I put aside the bedtime stories we read. At times, I think I failed you as a dad with these memories of the good times we had. Picnics as a family of 3, shop for candies and Ice Age on DVDs. The evening, the doctor pulled out your first cavity. Beneath the pillow was a 20 for the tooth fairy. But life is such, the ones you love gotta go. How come, how long? I guess we never know. I'ma do whatever it takes, through the bends and shakes, bruise and aches, and I'ma watch you grow. It's scary, maybe, baby, you gotta be strong. Close your eyes as I play you the song.
Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
There were nights you couldn't understand when I made you do things after you said you can. Made you stay up late, way past your bedtime. You kept missing lines from your nursery rhymes. And you know though you hate it left you educated. Full marks are stated, you earned it dedicated. Never would I leave, birthday kisses belated. Rest assured together we gonna make it. Cherish the moments you wake me every morning. Never seen me stop smiling since the day you was born. I'm sorry you called me at the office the other day. The lady had to tell you daddy was away. The truth is I'd rather hear your voice. After all, you're my little girl, my one and only choice. I'd rather give you piggyback rides. My arms on your side like ain't nothing else to hide. My hands on your tummy make you laugh when you're grumpy. Cheesy across the halls like Tom and Jerry. And I promise I'm always beside you, girl. Even long after death till the end of the world.
Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
Last night, after the bedtime prayer at the open diary, I started to stare. Couldn't help but notice, couldn't help but care. Little angel, sometimes it's hard to bear. And I know I'm the reason those tears fall down. I see it in your heart when you don't make a sound. It didn't work out between me and your mom. I couldn't let the separation do you no harm. I know it ain't fair of how we both living. Deprive you of love you should be receiving. Age don't seem to make nobody wiser. Plus with the trauma, we started the drama. As grown-ups, we still do silly things. Pride make us fight over small little things. This world that we live in is kinda complicated. Few years from now, you probably understand it. Till then, I hope you find a reason to smile. Though it's messed up what parents do to a child and hope you forgive what your mommy do. Deep down in your heart, you forgive me too.
Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna sing you a lullaby. We're gonna make it through the night, so close your weary eyes. Little angel, don't you cry. I'm gonna give you a rockabye. I'm gonna wake you with the light, so close your weary eyes.
Goes out to all those who ever lost a mom or dad due to this domestic violence and shit. And my big ups to you, cause you came through. Peace out. Beneath his soul thrive in the wind, with ease he began. Branded the scarlet heathen, regardless kith and kin. Live life a struggle, but bones stay attached to his skin. Still down for the hustle, incinerating stone or rubble, ripping mics on places he been. Stages made moments, his demos were omens. A new chapter in dawn, his era turns golden. Refusing to give in to a body tattered and torn, weathered and worn, patiently waiting since the day he was born. He asked for no praises, crowds the same faces, striding on with same paces, on he races. Sowing seeds, planting bases for his sermon to grow. Moments seize, faces yet survives mortal blows. Trying to save the industry from lyrical dungeon to smoke. Start a new chapter with the rap messiah, triggering the hip-hop hope.
You've been patiently waiting for the game, cause without me there was no game. It's like I've been the one you've been waiting for. Savior of rap, the savior of hip-hop. ACE, you wanna be for me, son. The rap industry's chosen one. We roll the testamental, fuck the sentimental. Sweat dripping pores, definitely judgmental. Sun-scorched porches, tan wine papers. Made John Doe skin disappear like vapors. The heavyweight champ, they crunch like wafers. Outscore the mainstream cause they in the Lakers. Still getting green, they still find it hard to wake us. Fakers still don't move me with kindergarten poetry. Wake up soldier, your drill's unrehearsed. Who aim where it hurts, faggot? Who's the enemy? Desert storm born, took it over like a mutiny. Fuck the industry, this the MC Galaxy. East Coast made, Styles NYC. Don't even try me, I slash your artery. Toothless gapers like rapists trying to take us, so break us. Fake ass motherfucker, this time I bring the ruckus. Wanna be for me, son? You can't fuck with the rap messiah. You wanna be for me, son? Rap industry's chosen one. You wanna be for me, son? You can't fuck with the rap messiah. You wanna be for me, son? Rap industry's chosen one. It's like tick tick boom, it's the incredible. Back so soon, they don't even think it's possible. Lickety, wickedy, whacking empties like a popsicle. They frozen on the maniple. I must be Hannibal, ruthless like a cannibal. My style's inevitable, generally made. I'm acting straight from the capital. Blessed with an armor that's lyrical. You don't wanna fuck with the general. Some say I'm mythical, attitude unethical. I kick you in your testicle till you got nothing but a peace pie with side folk. Let me make it just a little simple. Don't forget to grab a paper and a pencil. That when it comes to verbal skills, I'm branded undefeatable. Ace of the game, ready, willing, and able. With skills like Kane, favorite like Abel. From underground to top dog, hot pick on cable. You wanna be for me, son? You can't fuck with the rap messiah. You wanna be for me, son? Rap industry's chosen one. You wanna be for me, son? You can't fuck with the rap messiah. You wanna be for me, son? Rap industry's chosen one. All you gotta do is hit me, ma. Ladies and gentlemen, players and feminine, I'd like to welcome y'all to the flyest Ace Man's women. Jinky, Bonnie, and Clyde together when we roll in. Jealous eyes on the side like, no, that ain't here. System on full blast with chrome wheels spinning. We headed down west side, it's big time sinning. Ace it, pretty mommy got me all wishing. 5'6" inches, smooth like linen. Pretty hot and tempting, and I know what she asking. No paparazzi flashing, her beauty is lasting. Versace class and a smile hard to cash in. Got a skin tone to go with seasonal fashion. Her friends on her side like they green with envy, popping stories in the head like they seen in a movie. She's soon gonna find out it ain't a chemistry. No, it ain't gonna work out, cause he's a celebrity. But she love the way I do it though, take it to a slow. Everybody know the kids in Stu 004. Ballin' ever since, who gonna do it like a roll? All I gotta do is call, then we hook up at the mall. So who gon' do what with a born as such? Plus, the kid be young and so skilled to bust. And she know it's all about trust, so much than lust. My chinky chica mommy, who hotter than us? Player almost retiring his jersey, rocking in the ground up in the party till past 3. Cuddle up in my arms, she's sweet like pastry. It ain't a wonder how she got a name like Body. The flower with things to all the ice and blings. All she gotta do is say it and I give her with wings. She an angel falling with the rest of her kind. And still the best thing about it, damn she mine. Yeah, ain't no wonder what we got here is magic. Matter of fact, we do attract like magnets. Ain't faking it, cause mommy know who the realest is. Memories of her gonna die hard like Bruce Willis.
dần tiếng cho khắp quý em noia cả đôi trên thế thiên của lên môi em tin ít tổ na cầm mang ngay đây ít lâu riết thiềm về ăn lên an cần nè cả riết tháng lên sắc mê môi cả tầm giang nhà azul trên izun ngày tin lại chút tin mong ngày na bia thu cả lần thấy anh tin chàng về chân mùa thu anh sám chàng Trang ne ma bay về căn hoa ma sẽ kể lùng mô tan hiền nắng tâm na đô đã xây lùa em lên an cần nè cả chia trang lên sắc mê môi cả tùm trang sang ya azul thin izun ngai tin lai ha chút tin mang ngày na bia thu kan lan chei anh tin chàng về chim mùa anh tin chàng về chim mùa
These voices in my head telling me it's wrong, so wrong. But I gotta stay strong, cause I know I'm not so alone. When they whisper in my ear, it kinda seems like there's no way out of it.
Hold up, girl, before you do that shit. Do you wanna end up in a dirty pit? Think about the future, let me give you a tip. 9 months from now, he ain't gonna be your Brad Pitt.
What's a little bit of harmless flirting? Take a look at your friends, don't they all got men? You been wrong, lady, and don't be acting shady. Can't you tell it, baby? Both of y'all got a chemistry.
Chemistry my ass, all he really wanna do is jack you up. Take you out, have one night of fun. Smarten up, listen up to the voice in your head. Just move away from the bad.
Nah, see the smile on his face? You become of age, time to break free from your cage. What? Did I hear you say pregnancy? All you need are the pills at the pharmacy.
These voices in my head telling me it's wrong, so wrong. But I gotta stay strong, cause I know I'm not so alone. When they whisper in my ear, it kinda seems like
you gotta treat her like a hoe. Now you gotta learn how to make dough. Now you got a family, don't go.
It wasn't your fault, she was all over you. You didn't turn her on, she turned you on, dude, not to mention. Wasn't even a virgin too, could be the other way round, maybe it wasn't you.
Listen up, boy, you know the baby's yours. Don't matter if you lock the doors. Few months from now, then she's gonna take its course. Don't hide, stand up, face the force.
You gonna marry the girl with a doubt on your mind? You must be crazy, soldier, step back in line. You don't even know the girl that was a one-night stand. Cause she here for the money, no it ain't about the man.
These voices in my head telling me it's wrong, so wrong. But I gotta stay strong, cause I know I'm not so alone. When they whisper in my ear, it kinda seems like there's no way out of here.
Listen up, Ace, why you gotta be so negative? Try to be a bit positive.
What if this was reality, not just some fictional shit? But the fact of the matter is the voices are legit. Uniform clad chicks undergoing abortions. Emotions and secrets run deep as oceans. My wake up call though, bitter is the potion. Time to face the facts and break from delusion. How many lives must we shatter? Souls we batter. 9 months from December, yet we sting like a rattler. Ageless babies who never see the light of day, left to rot away lifeless. Now ain't that heartless? You gotta think before you judge a person by appearance, before we let a soul to rest by your conscience. So this what I'm asking, now hold up your zipper. You once was a baby, now think about it, player.
These voices in my head telling me it's wrong, so wrong. But I gotta stay strong, cause I know I'm not so. When they whisper in my ear, it kinda seems like there's no way out of here.
One night, you know, I go home, flip up my old high school yearbook and take some time to reminisce about what I went through and shit, you know. And hell yeah, a lot of change in this. But hell no, this game ain't changed me, man. A lot of times these artists come up and do their thing, and the only thing they get is backbiting, jealousy and shit. And you know why? Because the society that we live in is built on hypocritic bricks and nothing else, man. And I came up on this game by my own 2 hands and by God alone. So y'all better back off, man.
Flip through this album real quick. Lock me watching real quick. Lock me watching old flicks. Way before the frames and bricks, stones and sticks. Who wouldn't remember it clearly like a first name? I'm still the same bald-headed kid minus the fame. Picture me in the family, deprived as a child, sweeping classrooms as mama made ends meet. Meanwhile, it's the dignity of labor I didn't save her. Midnight frauds of her falling and I couldn't save her. I'm still waking up the next day. The same old dream, still the same reality. A family turned team. Mama prayed over dinner, I resolved to myself I would never be a burden as long as I got help. My life took a turn from bad to worse. It was hard to know then, was it a gift or a curse? Little did I know the pain of being raised by a single mother. I didn't bother, I had my father's figure. Just a moment of silence, just a moment of prayer. For the nights that I said hello, is anyone there? Folded palms together, rusty hopes in the air. Inch by inch struggle with the same cold stare. Just a moment of truth, just a moment of dare. For the journey from the hood to a saint elsewhere. Can't live forever, ain't true lies to share. Beyond doubts and reasons, trust the man upstairs. Can't say take a look in the mirror. The same bald-headed kid headline the paper. The hard fans stealing still shots at the player. Sucker MCs still spit silly shots at the player. Lots of camera, like I'm the next Capadona. Cynical critics like bitches dissing me at the media. Same homies with whom I rock the area. Ain't down no more, like I ain't down no longer. Plus the fickle mob, the gospel langs and drama. Commercial Christians turn player hater. Whatever happened to keeping it real for one another? It's funny how this fame can change a phony offer. Watch my world spin like a propeller. Still stay true to the game. Road quest across the shoulder. Dead before this honor. Never fall to peer pressure. Ain't hard to decipher. This the dawn of an era. Just a moment of silence. Just a moment of prayer. For the nights that I said hello, is anyone there? Folded palms together. Rusty hopes in the air. Inch by inch struggle with the same cold stare. Just a moment of truth, just a moment of dare. For the journey from the hood to a saint elsewhere. Can't live forever, ain't true lies to share. Beyond doubts and reasons, trust the man upstairs. hardest way to make an easy living, yo. Apart from the jealousy, ain't nothing else missing. Day in, day out, with no real explanation. These damn nightmares have got us all wondering. You heard the fresh kid, 2004. 2 years in the making, sounds harder than before. Who would have thought I could elevate the scene like this? Turn your 6th grade kid to blasting hits like this. Before me, there was none. After me, none. Make a name for yourself, for it's all said and done. Started the game with skills oozing off my finger. Y'all can't suppress me, the same fingers on the trigger. Nope, you don't know me. Nope, I ain't your homie. The lyrical mercenary with poetic artillery. Sick of the jealousy, thoughts turn vertically. Bow ahead to the heavens watching over me. Just a moment of silence, just a moment of prayer. For the nights that I said hello, is anyone there? Folded palms together, rusty hopes in the air. Inch by inch, struggle with the same cold stare. Just a moment of truth, just a moment of dare. For the journey from the hood to a saint elsewhere. Can't live forever, ain't true lies to share. Beyond doubts and reasons, trust the man upstairs.
This game ain't easy, man. It's blood, sweat, tears, sacrifices. Months and months of sleepless nights. All y'all for giving me sleepless nights.
Jump up and down to the sound. Ace man, I never back down. Now we come around, steering up in the club with the rubber jug. Good boys and gal, them I know what's up. Look at me so lady, them I wanna shake that booty. Rock a party, wanna rock that party. Them I represent ISO City. Yo, ain't no question, it's El Guitarista. See me at a party, macking 4 senoritas. You know the bets, like 6 strings on my guitar, 2 more for the set. The chica serenader, you know the dilly, make it shake like whatever. All the honeys and wifeys came with the player. The bigger the better, still the more the merrier. Bounce to the rhythm of the ace man player. With chicks and Bacardi, rounds to my homies and tits like the Mardi Gras. Said she never had the chance to give it to a star. I know, mommy, save it for the car. She wanna pop the bottle, watch it overflow. Flick the guard, a starter, do you gotta know? Smooth operator, you already know. Ice wristed guest list, different 20 booty holes. Listen, player, it's time to make it glisten. These nights alone make my fingers stiffen. So baby, come home alone, watch me lose, and I play you a song, and mommy, you choose them. Later on, you and I hit crescendo. Play you all night, make you scream for more. Guitar and senoritas, leave me strung out. Me skills on both, we both in and out.
I was the one who believed in you.
Chinky honeys on the dance floor. Big time rollers. Welcome to the Idol City Party. Alright, this is what I want y'all to do. And let's go. Ace Man Kid. This time a party, man.
So where the party at, girl? Tell all your boys and girls. Pretty ass leading down. Let's ride.
Hey yo ma, where'd you think you're going? There's a party tonight, you should be knowing. Ice roll around right, check the ride like no chick on my side tonight. Cause ride from a star, we're kicking it right. Tonight with a player, it's ladies night. Smooth talker, yo she open up the door, blew me a kiss and we ready to go. We're doing a 60 SUV, cruise down the block straight MSV. Freak mode baby, yeah we here to party. Time to toast it up, yeah tip the Bacardi. Bounce to the party with somebody. Fly chick, I'm a hottie mommy. I'm most likely ace to the party. Y'all know the G, that's where you find me.
So where the party at, girl? Tell all your boys and girls. Pretty ass leading down. Let's ride.
Flip the script on this game, rules ain't the same. Y'all still know the player's name. No, it ain't 6 balls and over. I'm strictly persona, takes 2 balls and over. Before I blow like a supernova. Take it easy now and turn it over. Whoa there girl, your friend looks hotter. The way that I boss straight Casanova. Shake that booty, cabaret style. You know that I want it, so damn wild. Plus, you're the type I ain't seen in a while. Arabian princess, smooth like the night. And they know that she aim to please. She give me the cheese, yeah, she hot with the striptease. Been there, done that, 10 minutes or so. And back to the flow for more.
So where the party at, girl? Tell all your boys and girls. Pretty ass leading down. Let's ride.
Break it down now. All the fly honeys, all the single ladies, trying to find a poppy inside. I'm presenting you, OG. Yeah, come on. Time to chill now. The party's wanted. Back to the wild, we on the moving. Yo, see this homie, he wanna move in. So I chill at the back with the fresh chicks in. Ain't gotta make a fuss. I fling some us, yeah, who all like us. Plus, they dig me like when R. Kelly sing. The Measle Brad Pitt so fly with the bling. Single and ready to mingle. Too much Bacardi make me tingle. Stereo blasting, not just a single. Who else but the Ace Man single? Yo, shake it mommy, shake that booty. The ace at the party, after party. I know I asked you back then. Baby girl, what's your name again?
So where the party at, girl? Tell all your boys and girls. Pretty ass leading down. Let's ride. So where the party at, girl? Tell all your boys and girls. Pretty ass leading down. Let's ride. Kim tên cái tổ kiêu truy nó xin caramel mà tôi cứ lên rồng nên tên tôi dài rel mây nấu không trang anh bel dài rel xi mò qua đây chẳng tur hi ka donin tin lai nim roye dân tiếng zur kha lâu en trang ya nắng ngày ở ruột chi nè charu mi zam tia ye a soral tiếng klang chăm dur nè nung min nè om khua hơn nghe nắng ngày ở ruột chi nghe chiang lo vin lungi hair le si nui qua rei chang tur hi ka don in tin lai nim roye dân tiếng zur kha lo en chang ya nang ngày a zual chi ne charo me zam tia ye a soral tiếng klang chăm dur nè nung min nè om khua hơn nghe nắng ngày a zual chi nghe nang min ngày thì bồi tê áp bồi nhẹ nắng nè đắm chung sa măng kan in chen tur hi nun người qua đây chẳng tur hi cái đó nên tin lại nim roye dân tiếng zur kha lâu en chang ya nắng ngày ở ruột chi nè charu mi zam tia ye a soral tiếng klang chăm dur nè nung min nè om khua hơn nghe nắng ngày ở ruột chi nghe ma tin ka han donin lung lam ka vai ruai nang ne kan le lai ni te au kir thei chang se o sui lung ruala bia tu kan lan lai ni te dân khua lâu cả những lung lệ để ruột chi nè
Lay back, let the beat loop. That's when I see myself still on the hustle, still on the struggle, being an underground artist.